My name is Daniel Ovalle Costal. I'm an architect and I'm also an associate professor at the Bartlett School of Architecture, which is part of University College London. And I'm here in Mumbai sort of visiting different universities and schools, and I just gave a talk about model making and making and craft in general, the role it plays in my own work as a researcher on domesticity at the Bartlett, the role it plays in my teaching of master students at the Bartlett School of Architecture, but also the really core role of making and prototyping at the Bartlett School of Architecture in the majority of its programs. I really enjoy lecturing with you guys. I really enjoy lecturing generally, but what's most fantastic is when you have a really nice conversation after the lecture. I got really interesting questions, and it was fantastic to have a chat with the students about my work and about how we do models at the Bartlett. And the one sort of like piece of input that I would sort of like to leave on the school after the talk is, if in doubt in your project, if you're stuck, always start making something, even if it's a teacup that is going to sit on the coffee table of the living room of the building you're designing. That's already going to be the first step to get you out of the rut.